Hello everyone and welcome to our new video on AI with Python and Colab. Today's topic is creating a soundtrack. I came to this when once I failed to create a 40-minute soundtrack out of 15 seconds fragment, because I suddenly have found that my software has no option of how to loop an audio file. But this is very easy with Python and Colab. Everyone can do this. First of all, let's import some additional libraries to our runtime. We shall use Librosa and SciPy wave file to work with sounds, and PyPlot to plot our audio waves, as well as IPython display to playback our audio straight away in the Colab cells. Next, we load our audio file, which is wakeup mp3. Librosa extracts audio wave into a 1D numeric array. It is just a line, and amplitude values are ranging from roughly -1 to +1, and there are roughly 300,000 values. And it is 14 seconds, let's play it out. Okay, so anything we do to add some effects is working with these amplitudes, so with this 1D array. For instance, if we want to do the loop, if we want to make any length of the audio, let's say we want to add 3 more fragments, so loops will be equal to 3. We do the loop. Each time we concatenate original wave to the wave that was summed up on the previous step. And once again we create this audio control to playback. You see that it was 14 seconds, now it is almost a minute. Let's play. Okay, so it is 4 times the original wave. Next, let's add some fading. Fading is typically used in the beginning or in the ending of the audio file to give some smoothing. How we do this? Let's say we want to fade the last 2 seconds of our audio. We do the loop for the last 2 seconds and we take each one amplitude that is inside this 2 seconds range and decrease it gradually until it comes to 0. Let's run. So once again we show this audio control. It is same length, almost a minute, and let's listen to last seconds of it. You see, there is a smooth fading in the end, last 2 seconds. And finally, how can we speed up or slow down our audio? Well, really, we do nothing to the audio wave itself. We don't change amplitudes in any way, so we don't want to change loudness. But what we do is we change the way how we replay the audio. We change the sampling rate, how many amplitudes we'll get into 1 second interval. For instance, if we want to speed up our audio by 50%, we have to multiply the original sampling rate by 1.5. So that 1.5 more amplitudes will come into 1 second. And you see, it is now almost 40 seconds, but originally it was almost a minute. Let's play back. Still it has the same fading in the end. Okay, and finally, to export our audio file, we have to use write method of SciPy wave file. Let's run. We use srnew to speed up our audio, and we have this. Okay, so thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, subscribe to simpleai.net. See you, bye.